Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your iPhone apps look dark in two different ways. So if you want a cleaner dark home screen or a full system dark mode, follow along step by step to set it up. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's start with dark app icons. Go to your iPhone home screen and tap and hold on any empty space until your apps start to wiggle. Once that happens, tap Edit in the top left corner. From the menu that pops up, tap Customize. Now at the bottom, you'll see a few options. You can choose Dark, which switches your app icons into a clean dark style. You also have Clear, which gives a glass-like transparent look, and Tinted, which keeps that glass effect but adds a color tint of your choice. For the dark icons, you can set it to either Always Dark or choose Auto, which will automatically switch your icons to dark after sunset. This makes your home screen easier on the eyes at night. Now let's move on to dark mode, which is a bit different. Open your Settings app, then go to Display and Brightness. Here you can enable dark mode, which changes your whole iPhone interface to a darker background. But keep in mind, this does not change your app icons. It only affects the system and supported apps. If you want a quicker way to turn it on or off, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, then tap the dark mode button. If you don't see it there, you can add it manually. Tap the plus icon in the Control Center settings, choose Add a Control, then find Dark Mode and add it. After that, you'll be able to toggle it instantly anytime you want. And that's it. This is the easiest way to get both dark icons and full dark mode on your iPhone.